All right, trade recap on the day. This one was brutal. Fuck. So basically, off of this trade today, I blew my funded account again, and that was not ideal. I'm a little pissed off about that one, but there's nothing I could really do about that. Um, so for that fact, we might as well just get into it. So basically, on the daily, we had a fair value gap here, but overall we were bearish and we were already pushing through it. So I was assuming we would inverse it. On NQ, same thing. We had our daily above, which we had already rejected off of. So I was looking for bearish. On the 4-hour, we were also bearish. We had a high time frame SMT off of the rejection, and we were displacing lower. We had liquidity lying lower. Same here, we displaced lower our SMT. Off the 1-hour, again, very bearish. We were pushing between. If we go down to the 15-minute, this is where it starts getting interesting. So London market is here, opens, okay? Consolidates a little bit, then displaces, and New York market opens. So before New York market opens, we fully inverse this daily gap. New York market opens, we retrace into the 0.5 range of the equilibrium, which also sits a 15-minute fair value gap. Off of that, and off my daily buys, I was looking for shorts, which was beautiful in my eyes. Same thing happened here, except we didn't fully displace into our 0.5, but overall, not bad. Drop into the 5-minute. Here you can see my little trade right there. All right, displace there. And now I'm just waiting for displacement. We have a huge candle here, 5-minute candle, so that would have been a watch for break even. We get our 1-minute inverse fair value gap right here. Enter off the close, displace lower. It's a beautiful entry. I would have made 800 bucks off of it, made all my money back and gone back into the break even area, or pushing to my second winning trade day. But instead, what I decided to do was I took the trade on NQ because NQ was looking more bearish. So let's find what this was. Perfect. Oh, let me just, I don't know what I just did there. What did I just do? Okay. Oh, this isn't good. Okay, we'll just stick with that for now. Anyways, we get our inverse. Now ES inversed off of this black candle here. This candle here. That's what ES had inversed off of. So what I had decided to do was, instead of waiting for the close, which was off of this candle here, I had decided I wanted to just enter off of there and see where price would go. Because in my mind, it was so bearish, price was bound to just start shooting low, which it did. Price very well shot low. But the thing about that is we had a retrace of this little wick here that came up. And because I was already in drawdown of like 750 bucks, by the time, and on one single contract on NQ, if we go into this here, we'll just go in paper. Take a limit. Let's put a limit up here. One contract on NQ. This was what we were aiming for. but we're going to cap out around here. This little wick here is already $200 in drawdown. I might have even entered a little bit lower. It's basically might have been around right here. Something like that. Basically, this little $245 move into drawdown, as soon as the price came up and tapped that, I was auto liquidated and I lost the funded account, and then instantly price displaced lower. Which is why I should have waited for the close and or just traded on damn ES, man. Could have made all my money back from that previous day, but no, I had to do what I had to do. But yeah, that's trade recap of the day. That would have been a beautiful 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio if I held on to it, and that displaced. But yeah, peace.